Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is using one of my own kits called Wildflowers, and I have used other things as well, but that was the main basis for it. Here's some ARTYmaze things as well. The journal, what does it measure? I haven't written any notes down whatsoever, so let's do it. It's 8 1/4 by just shy of 4.5. It's got one signature, don't know how many pages, but it will be listed for sale over on my shop, and I'll put a direct link to that below in the description box, and I will have a free shipping offer on this for today only. I don't know what today's date is either. Don't really know much, do I? I know it's Tuesday. Anyway, all right, excuse the one red thumb in each hand, so I just can't get them off yet. But anyway, we have got some papers from the Wildflower kit. I will link all the kits that I've used below as well. This is a bit of fabric. It's kind of frayed away at the edges there, and I like that. We've got an envelope here which I made into a pocket. We've got some of my I listed a new 10-page floral French ledger style kit yesterday. It was just like 10 pages just for things to use in you know, to use in your creations. So I used some of that. Excuse me, my voice is so croaky. This is a freebie on my coffee shop. The word here is from ARTYmaze. Can't remember what kit that is. I'll have to remember that because I've got loads and loads of them already printed out, and it's not a kit that I go to all the time. But I do have loads of them. This a little resin butterfly. The butterfly is ARTYmaze. Got 2 layers here of trim. These are ARTYmaze as well. They went really well with obviously like the Wildflower kits. The cover's all been stitched. We've got twine as a closure. And then we've got some ruffles here and some trim. So let's go inside. So I've got a double pocket on the front with these little tags. Again, they're from ARTYmaze. This is from ARTYmaze, and it is actually from her boho kit. There's some nice journal cards in that kit. That is one as well. So I've just popped that in there. And obviously you can tuck other things inside there. Pockets, that's from my Wildflower kit. So is this. These images here are from Ruby and Pearl. That goes there. Now I've got a video coming up on this, so I've got a tag and a pocket there, so I made a video on that. We've got some vintage book page there. That book page is it's over 100 years old. I've used a lot of that. Not in the book, but I've used a lot of it from the book in lots of other journals. So we've got a little cluster here. We've got some embossed paper. It's not paper, it's vellum. So I've done some vellum. That's all my embossed papers. I need to do some more, so I've got lots to go to. Little oval label there from ARTYmaze. That's a freebie. The butterfly is a freebie. This is from my kit, my Wildflower kit. That is a stamped tag with some lace trim on the top. Excuse me. Just got to really, the allergies, it's the trees. Do you know what? I'm going to just quickly show you what's causing me this allergy. Oh, I can't show you, but hang on. I'm going to take the camera off. It's that big tree outside. It's, oh, the pollen on it is horrendous. Anyway, sorry about that. But that really gets to me every single year. It's a beautiful big tree. It's lovely to look at. But yeah, me and my son are really bad with the allergies at the moment. Right, anyway, back to this. Another one of these little tags. You can see how well they kind of go with my kit. So yeah, and they're from ARTYmaze, like I said. Then this little journal card is from me, and I just put it on some coffee dyed paper and stitched around the image. Then we've got a tag here. It says just a note. We've got another deep pocket there. That's a freebie on my coffee shop, and that's a bit of like one of these bits on the cream paper. and a stamped tag. Someone had asked me a question actually the other day, and I think asking about embossing, a lot of people, it took me ages to work out. I've got a big shop, and how to work out the right levels, because it tells you on your plates which one is which for which thing to do, but it doesn't always work out like that. Depends on the thickness of your actual embossing folder, the thickness of the card or the paper that you're using. Sometimes you've got to make a shim, like a couple of layers of cardstock. Sometimes you've got to take one of the plates, like the clear acrylic plates, away and build up on a shim. It's just with certain things, not everything, but just with some things I've found. I mean, I've had my big shop for about 12 years now, maybe. Yeah, about 12 years. And each, you know, like every time I buy something new for it, it's, you know, I'm having to learn how to use the actual embossing folder, or like the thin-lit dies are the easiest things to use, or the big dies from Tim Holtz. But other things I find quite difficult. So it's just a learning process. Get to know your paper, get to know your like your big shot or your embossing machine. Because what's the other one? A Cuttlebug. Then there's is it the Vagabond? Was that a thing? Is that a thing? Was that a die cutting embossing thing? Don't know if they do that anymore. So that's these lovely papers. Some of these papers are, obviously they're not printables. Not everything is a printable in here. Gosh, I hope I'm in the frame after fiddling around with that. Yes, I am. Sorry, my chair's all squeaky as well. Right, here we've got a pocket. Well, actually, this flips out like that, and then it flips out like that. Okay, so let's do that first. So we've got a little vellum pocket there, and I used that one. I don't know, because you can't really see it on there now. Maybe you can, I don't know. Just the lighting. It's that lovely flowery one. So that's what I used there. Then we've got some tags here. That's just a little flip tag, using some of my leftover papers. The little tag from ARTYmaze, the butterfly from ARTYmaze, and the word botanical is from ARTYmaze as well. Stamped tag from my wildflower kits. So then you've got that, and you can do stuff on there. That opens up, and you've just got some coffee dyed squared paper, just folded. Can do other things with that. Excuse me. One of these tags, they're from ARTYmaze as well, and that just goes in there. And then the other one's the same. I'm not going to take all that out, so that's there. I think I need to, do I need to glue that down a little bit? I do indeedy. So so I'll just press that for a second. Right, so actually, where's them little clips? Here we go. Right, so that's the centre of the signature. Then we've got this paper here, and this here. Another one of these little flippy things. So, you know, I could have put extra papers in that and made it a little booklet. Then we've got this, that's a freebie from my coffee shop. Then this envelope. And that's just, that was a, I think I put them up as a freebie, just 3 pages of kind of lined background, and that just faint flowers in the background for the wildflower kit. So you can find that on my coffee shop, the freebie as well. But I will link the kit below that I used. That's a freebie again from my coffee shop. And obviously the envelope, you can stuff things inside the envelope. Got a dictionary page here, and then a tag, a hand stamped tag, and another one of these from ARTYmaze. Deep pocket there with a little girl there wearing her kind of like butterfly wings. Tag there. some lined paper to journal on, some squared paper, some ruffle, another deep pocket there. This image there is from ARTYmaze's boho kit, stamped Tiffany and Co. stamp there. Serenities from ARTYmaze, little bit of it's embossed vellum and a butterfly that flips out. Excuse me. And then this is just a little envelope which I have made into like a double pocket. So we lift that up, and then inside here we've just got some coffee dyed paper that's got a little tag. I chopped the top of the tag, but that's from ARTYmaze as well. And that goes in there, and I just obviously done some stamping there. And then this one here, my voice does sound very croaky. And yep, that's that. You can tuck other things inside there. So that was that little project, and that goes on there. Paper clip. We've got 2 tags here, all from my wildflower kit. The oval labels from ARTYmaze, a little bit of embossed vellum there and a butterfly. We've got another tag here, and then another one of these. And then we have 3 tags there. She's out in the garden for a lovely little dress on. That's a Ruby and Pearl image. We've got 2 tags there from the wildflower kit. That's from the wildflower kit. And then that opens out like so. And that's a little tuck there, or you can write all in there as well. Little pocket there. A tag and a journal card. That's from ARTYmaze. That's from a wildflower. And just a paper clip holding that on. So that is the journal. Lots of writing space. I'm feeling that you know, that's what people want. I'm seeing my comments and people saying it's nice to see more writing space. I've always left a decent amount of writing space, but you know, at the end of the day, a journal is for writing, and well, most people, not everybody writes in their journals. I'm a sticker inner. I stick things in my journal, and like maybe a word or 2, but everybody journals differently. But most people do like to write in their journals. I'm more of a list maker in my other journals, and I make notes, but I don't journal as such. I love making journals. So that is the journal. If you're interested in that, it will be free shipping for today only. Is it the 14th today? I'm just guessing here. I've lost track of the days, well, the dates, not the days. I know it's Tuesday. So yeah, so that is that. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions that obviously I haven't mentioned about the journal, if you need to ask anything, ask away in the comment section. Check out the links in my description box, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.